Liteharbor Lighting is a manufacturer with 13-year experience in designing, developing, and supplying wide selections of lighting products. Liteharbor Lighting has several factories, such as hardware factory, mold factory, carton factory, assembly plant, and LED factory. We have been equipped with a variety of professional manufacturing facilities. In our hardware factory, here is set up with laser cutting machine, automatic CNC punch press, CNC spinning machine, sheet metal forming hydraulic press, lathe, punch press, drilling machine, welding machine, tapping center, and bending machine. The factory has complete and scientific quality management system. Integrity, strength, and quality of products also received industry recognition. In the die casting factory, we have EDM wire cutting machines, melted metal furnaces, and several die casting machines with a central environmental cleaning system to ensure the production will not cause environmental pollution. In the carton factory, we equipped with paper cutting machine, slitting machine, printing machine, nail box machine, and so on. We will use the cardboard burst strength tester to test the cartons to ensure the quality of each carton. The packaging can be customized according to customers' requirements. In the LED factory, we have the most professional integrating sphere, salt spin tester, colorimeter, thermostat box, intelligent monitoring tab power aging test equipment, full automatic energy-saving wave soldering equipment, glue powering machine, laser marking machine. The most professional equipment is to produce the best quality products. Liteharbor dedicates to bring you the most advanced lighting technology and superior lighting environment. Choosing Liteharbor will not only bring you high-quality products, but also sincere service. You deserve a better supplier, and Liteharbor will be the right one for you.